It's a fresh install of Windows 11, so there's nothing personal in there. Anything that is on there is just like testing software.
Yeah.
So, for example, some of the testing software I use is OCCT, and that just tests the CPU and the RAM. And then I have Firmark, which is another software that I use to test the graphics card, which is that thing there.
Alright.
And then RTX 3070.
I was looking at the 32 gigs.
32 gigs. Sorry, I'll just stick that in now. It takes just 1 second. Yeah. 4. Okay, and then I will give you this, which is just a Wi-Fi dongle. Out of the box, it looks like that. So it's just brand new and all boxed up. And then this, you can turn off the lights or switch them to whatever color you want. So I just have a social media, and it's just good for my business to... And if you need any upgrades or any of his friends want computers.
Cool. Yeah, cheers.
See ya.